Online business, how to make money fast. Guys, I'm Warren Brito here from Entrepreneur Path, and welcome. How do you make money fast online? It's very simple. You gotta avoid few things before you even get there. One is distraction. People sit down online and they think they're gonna, build a business online, and before they see, they are on their habits, things that they used to do. They never did a business online before, so they probably never have their own business before. They probably been the employee forever, and they don't have no clue how to start an online business. And they come over here, maybe get a course or do a research or watch some videos, and they might do some action today, and then tomorrow they drop off. And then when they come back, they'll be like, I'm going to work on that new venture that I have. I'm going to go work on my idea with my online business, and boom, they sit down, they go to Facebook, Instagram, they start looking at things. Man, I stopped using Facebook and Instagram a little while back because I was noticed that I was getting that stuff, and when I see an hour went by and I'm just scrolling down, right, looking at things, liking things, comment. It's good to get at it, for a little bit, but you don't want to sit on that thing forever, right? So those things are very distracting. Another thing that delay your success with your online business is that, my friend, shine object. Online is a million ways to make opportunity. We're going to talk here about a lot of ways for you to make money, and I'm going to tell you the fastest one. But it's so many things that comes at you when you start looking for ideas to make money online that you don't know which way to go. Like, oh, this look very simple, this look is, this look that's going to be very fast, and this and that. But guess what? All takes work, and you're not going to make money. Nobody's going to give money for you to just to show up at the work, right? People don't pay you just to, come over here and show up and I'm going to give you money for it. Right? When you arrive there, you got to work. You got to put in work. You got to put in those hours, right? You got to do things. And you got to bring some value to that company, to that business, to that person for them to pay you something. Same thing online. Is the same concept. It doesn't change. The only difference is that you get to work from the comfort of your home. You don't get to get up and take traffic and arrive somewhere and go to transportation and do all that. You'll be able to get up and just come and get in from the computer and do your thing. That's the beauty about working from home. But you still got to add value. You still got to build a relationship with other people. You still got to use your communication skills. You still got to do things, right? To make money online. It's not that easy. But that was in 2005, 2008, 2010. But now, after this online world is so powerful and is about to reach the second decade, it's going to be 20 years. Because take a look back, Facebook launched in 2007, around there. And in 2000, the internet was not even that powerful. Right? And then Amazon came in, and then, people started buying. People before they was afraid of this new technology. People are afraid of change. All the time something new comes up, there's I don't know if people hackers out there going to take my information, things like that. People are skeptical, but the world is always moving forward. We're always having revolution after revolution, but all the time something new comes up, people be like, I don't know if that work. But now so many young entrepreneurs, even older people that are retired, they want to do something productive with their time, something they are proud to do it. They come online, build something around something that they like, something they have passion for. They help other people with information around that topic, and they make a lot of money with a blog, right? So now it's very possible for a lot of people to make a lot of money. There's a lot of ways up there, but you want to get laser focused in one way. So the fastest way to make money online is going into something that you like and pick up a topic. Not just try to make money everywhere. I'm going to build a website and I'm going to make money from Amazon with products from Amazon. It's cool to do that, but that got to be aligned with your focus, with your topic. Let's say I'm over here, I'm all about helping other people building their business online. I'm all about marketing, so marketing help other people to grow their business, right? Get more customers, right? So, I can talk about that, and then it can be tools that is related to that. I can refer to that. It can be a book on Amazon. Then I can make money out of Amazon because I refer them the book. Of course, I'm going to be affiliate from the Amazon and make money out of the book when I recommend, because that's the beauty of the online business, and to make money fast. Because if you have something like that, it takes some work to do the foundation, right? But after that is totally different from the world that we live in that is normal. You go watch a movie, you go read a book, you go do anything, you share with your friend, he's going to do the same thing because, he knows you refer to him, it comes to his mind, he thought about it, like the idea, and he go do it, and nobody give you nothing for it. And today people buy off recommendations more than anything else. And we as marketers know that, right? Because we into this marketing thing every day, we get to those levels where we find out those things, right? People that are into this, they don't even imagine those things, but that's how it works. Now you think, yeah, that's for real. So many things that I recommend to my friends that they do buy. Now, if you have something online Then you could increment those things, and could be your friends, it could be some other people, when they come and buy. Before you even put those things there, you could go sign up for an affiliate platform like Amazon or Best Buy or anything like that. And then what you do, you click on the link in the bottom of the page that says affiliate, and then when you go there, you put your information, everything, and you put your information, and then you create your affiliate account with that company. And now they give you, all the time you browse a product or something, they give you a link, and on that link it has a unique link attached to your ID when you create the account with that company. Let's say you create an account with Best Buy, or you create an account with the Amazon. Now all the time someone comes and click on that link, it has your ID attached to that link, and when they make a purchase, that counts as a commission for you, and that percentage of the commission goes into your account that you create on the platform as an affiliate marketer. So that's one of the best ways to make money online fast, right? All right, guys, I'm going to share another tip with you, how to even get there faster. Build your own blog where you can talk about the topic that you pick. If you need help in find out a topic, I have the niche identifier here, resources below in the description. You can click and download the checklist. The checklist is going to help you identify which niche you want to go for, right? So you pick up a topic, and in there I'm gonna give you 112 niches that are already profitable that you can just pick and be like, yeah, I like this one, I'm gonna go with this one. There I'm gonna give you details how many people are searching for those terms, you know, keyword or words that people type. Let's say like I'm looking for brand new shoes, you know, I go in Google and put that I look for brand new shoes, right? I'm looking to lose weight, you know, how to make money online, you know, that's what we call as keywords, you know, the phrases, the words that people type into search engineers to look for things. Okay, guys, so here I share a few tips with you guys how to start online business and make money fast. You want to have your own blog, you want to pick up a niche, a topic, you want to go around that niche, create, you know, content around that stuff that you like, you know, get affiliate products around that topic, lay around your blog and make money there. When people come, they would buy your ID, you have your ID number attached to that link, and when they do buy it, you make a commission out of that. So if you don't know exactly how to build a blog, I'm going to leave some resources here that you're going to be able to find out how exactly to do that. It's very easy, and you can build with like zero to no money. Doesn't cost like, you know, a lot to make a nice blog for your website. And affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to start, because you don't got a way to create your own product, you don't got a way to create a sales page or a way to make a payment process. You ain't got to do none of that. The only thing you got to do is just let other people know about products that they already want to buy it. And then when they do buy it, you do make money. And the only thing you have to do is basically create your account as an affiliate from one of these platforms like I mentioned. And even though if it's something that I mentioned here, the only thing you got to do is just go and scroll down to the end of the website, right? Now, if you don't want to go and do none of that, if you think all that is like, oh man, it sounds like a lot of work, you know, make something easy. Here's a very good platform that you want to come to learn all these things, you know, and having a business like that in a matter of seconds. By the time you click the link below, you arrive a legendary marketer and you buy this product, my friend, you're gonna have a business in the box. This is a business in the box, right? And I should have told you this from the beginning. This is the fastest way to start making money online fast, by buying a business that is already done for you, right? This is something done for you. So if you're here to now, I guess maybe I did it good to not say it in the beginning, because you are serious. You're really looking for ways. You over here is spending like 10 minutes of your time try to see if there's anything good you could get out of this video, so you can get out there and change your life and start living the life that you desire, you know, start reaching your goals and living your dreams, right? And be free and just live this lifestyle. So this is a business in the box, my friend. And why here? This is awesome. By the time you come over here, you click the link below, you get here and you start with this, you have a business in the box done for you. These people right here, a legendary marketer, do the email follow-up for you. They give you a blog already done service for you, so you don't have to create a blog. So the only thing you have to do is come over here and blog. Now, if you don't even want to blog, talk about the things that you like, that you have passion for, and help other people out there with maybe some problems that they have, or just, you know, put the information in front of them that is cool and that they want to buy it, and you make a commission or they do buy it. Anything you can do, you just can come over here and share the only content. They create the content and you share with your ID attached to that content. You know, your ID come over here with the link, and what happens is that all the time they go and buy something, you get a commission for it. So over here is everything done for you. So this right here has a lot to offer. They got their products over here that is all about marketing and growing an online business. You know, even though they give you the business in the box, they give you like a lot of other resources for you to expand and grow beyond your imagination with this. They got the Legendary Marketers Club, that is a powerful monthly marketing club packed full of training, education, and resources to start, grow, and scale your digital marketing business. Members enjoy monthly training as well as access to all past training, courses, and live classes. You get all that. This is just the first product, and we got more products over here, which is even get your business to the next level. The Legendary Builder Masterclass, and we got the Legendary Leader Masterclass. This right here is taking your stuff to the next level by the time you're making 7-8 figures with this, right? So I want to show you guys here something on the back office that is amazing. You guys gonna like this. Is that, let me see. Okay, so over here right now, if you want to spend no money, you just want to get a free book and the free training and take a pick inside of Legendary Marketing to find out if it is for you or not, go and take the risk of putting your hands in your pocket to invest in this platform. You can just come over here today by clicking the link below. You can get this book right here totally free, as you see. Limit time though. By the time you're watching this, it might has a price tag. This book right here is worth value of $29. He probably gonna sell for $19.99, but anyway, it's over here now free, and the only thing you gotta do is pay the shipping handle. That's all, right? Because imagine you're gonna give the book away and pay the shipping handle for millions and millions of people that are gonna order the book. Would not be, it doesn't make sense, right? So you click on the link below, you arrive here, and you can read this page right here and see all the things that he offered. But I just want to show you that it's more than just getting the book for free. Look, you're also going to get, plus I'm going to give you my 15 steps to online profits video training and our free live one-on-one strategy section, all free when you claim your free book today. You also get instant access to 2 exclusive bonuses: free live one-on-one success coaching value of $50. I think this year is like $85 to $100. 15 steps to create an online digital marketing business video training value of $30. This right here, guys, is a full online course right here, and it has 15 video trainings. This inside this right here, I can show you right now because I have this, and I can just go in my products over here. The core steps is what he's giving for you for free. Look, the 15 steps when you order the book, totally free. So welcome to the Legendary Marketing 15 step training series. Let's just click number 2 so you take a pick, and they're always good content like this. Look, the #1 secret of every successful online business owner: 22 minutes of pure content, good value, good information that is going to help you start today and be making money by tomorrow, right? Very fast. Another thing I want to share with you, because people that are kind of like skeptical and you want to take your time to see, and you might be on the sidelines and things like that. Look at this today. I'm going to show you just like this. So you see, when you see another video here, I just got this probably like not even a week. So I'm going to click on, let me see, I'm going to show you the commissions that I just got this, and I even made no money yet, but this is so good that sooner or later I'm going to be making money. So as you see, I just start driving a little traffic to it. It's been like a week as today, on January 26, 2018. You can see it over here also at my clock, right? Today of today, now it's 3:00 p.m. The time is run. It's Friday, January 26, 2018, right? And no commission. I just got this fresh. So you might come back here a week from now, 2 weeks from now, a month from now, and this be with money over here. I'll be making money with this. I have like a playlist over here that I'm going to post my journey over here where I'm making the money with the stuff and how powerful it is. So it's good that you came over here today. You could look at it. You can go right now, click on the link below, get the book, type in the secrets of making money online, find out all this good information, and just let you know, guys, information is just potential power. You want to take action with the information you're going to learn here, and you're also going to go in your back office, and soon you're going to make money fast with this. You're going to see your numbers over here on your commission tab as well, just like me. So you can watch my journey here, and if you have any questions, you can ask me how I'm doing to generate my sales and making my money and how fast I'm making. So here you're going to have a proof how fast we can do this, as you saw the day today, and then after days go by, we can look and see if it's fast or not. So that's how to make money online fast, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, make your comment below. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I release new content. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.